Okay, it's 10 o'clock at night, and I'm about to go take a shower. But before that, I stopped my truck after I park, and I wanted to start it because, for some reason I was feeling hot, and I lost power. No power. The dashboard is all black, like no power. As soon as I turn the key, everything just disappeared. Go underneath the truck, check your starter. You want to have a little toolbox or something with you, especially if no power at all. That could be your battery connection. Check your battery connection first. If everything seems connecting good, go underneath the truck, check the cable that's connecting to the starter, go into the truck. Okay, I will show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. This is your starter right there. You see that thing? It's a brand new starter. Okay, it's connecting to the motor, but you see the negative cable, which is the black one. There's one coming from the battery, okay, down that way. The battery is on that side, right? And then you can see there's one going to the truck, okay? There's another one, who knows where they're going. Then when you see above the negative, you see there's a positive one right there. So you want to check both. Check this out real quick. You guys see it's moving, right? So if it's any space between there, it's going to create a spark. So you want to make sure you tie that. You guys see that? It's moving. So you grab your 19mm and tighten it pretty good. You will be just fine. You're going to get power back to the truck. I won't be underneath the truck at 10 o'clock at night just because I want to make video. I'm going to put my 19mm on it. All right. I have to use both hands. Stick one to it. You see that? I'm able to tighten. This thing wasn't tight right. You see that? I'm still tightening, guys. Whoa. There we go. There we go. I'll get more because there we go. This one, it seems like for some reason, due to the vibration from the truck, when you get into potholes, stuff like that, you kind of lose it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck now, see what we have. All right, guys, so the truck is running, everything is good. Luckily I was about to go take a shower, and I'm kind of dirty right now, but the good thing is the pants that I have on me, I got to change out when I go take a shower because I have to deliver tomorrow morning. So when I got here, I just pulled in straight instead of facing the street. So that allowed me to kind of like go underneath my truck and see what exactly was going on. No matter the type of truck you have, if you have an issue like that, you first want to like look at your battery cable. I have the 15mm to tighten my battery. For the battery you need 15mm. I don't know about your truck. And then the starter, you need 19mm. And I have also adjustable wrench, one fitted screwdriver and one flat screwdriver. I have that in my truck. Plus I have like a utility knife or something like that. So you want to have the little thing, not a whole box of tools, but something that can allow you to do something. So you guys see my dash. I don't have any lights over here beside the brake light, and the truck is running. All right, so that's it. So I hope that little video will help you guys when you're over the road as an owner operator. Like I said, I draw a couple DIY video, and many of you guys don't like to watch the DIY video. This right here, if you're just somebody that don't like to do DIY, that don't like to get dirty, the first thing you're gonna do is call a mobile mechanic, right? And I just fixed that problem. I just fixed that, and that saved me, you know how much it's gonna save me? Maybe close to $700, especially at late night. $700, $800, maybe to $1,000. You never know. So watch a DIY video if you are owner operator. That will give you a better idea if something happened down the road. You can troubleshoot that. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.